In today's video, we're taking a look at how to clean your headlights easy and simple. This is so simple, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. So you've noticed that when you turn on your lights at nighttime, they're not as bright as they used to be. Other than needing new bulbs, it could just be as simple as cleaning your headlights. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we're going to help you out with that. And the great part is that you're going to use things that you have probably laying around the house. And that ingredient is going to be toothpaste, and preferably one with little granules inside. If you don't have, then like the one on the left, you can add the same amount of baking soda. And that's going to help to exfoliate the headlights all the way till clean. And the last thing that you're gonna need, other than a car, some headlights, water, is a toothbrush. And we know what you're thinking. You're either getting your spouse's one, your brother's, your sister's, your roommate's, that person that you love dearly. Now that you're geared up to face the task on hand, the first way that you can clean your headlights is using glass cleaner. Because sometimes what seems like haze could just be dirt and particles that get stuck on your headlights when you drive. But let's say that didn't work and you just wasted some glass cleaner for no reason. Let's go ahead and give these headlights a facial. This particular headlight has a crack on the corner that tends to fog up when it rains or water condensation or get water accumulation inside. And we're going to try 3 methods. To the left, we're going to try toothpaste and baking soda. To the right, we're going to try toothpaste without granules. And on the other vehicle that is not divided with tape on the middle, we're going to use a toothpaste with baking soda already in it, but at the same time knowing that that headlight is not as foggy or hazy as the one that's divided. And what we want to do is apply the toothpaste with our toothbrush in a circular motion. So you're basically sanding away that stuck on grime, and you want to go in small circles. It might take a while, but the end result is worth it. You are going to notice with time that passes by that you can cancel that gym membership and place an ad in front of your house that you clean headlights. Now that you have gotten stronger, faster, and bolder, we're going to clean up the toothpaste using the same method. But now we're going to add water to the mix until we remove any toothpaste residue. You can also use a microfiber cloth and still get the same gains. As you can see, and also taking away that water went inside the headlight because of the crack, either way is a big difference. Let us know on the comment section below which one you think did a better job. Now you can pat yourself on the back for going from a pro to ultra. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.